I have been running a faceless YouTube channel for over 2 years, getting millions of views, until I realized that I have been doing it all wrong. This a way to achieve this result in just a few months. Let me explain. So, the channel I am talking about is called Zio, where I make short and long form video about Marvel movies. In this video, I will focus on the short form content, how you can get similar view as quickly as possible, and show you the exact method I use to make them go viral. Thank you. Treat your channel as a brand. Decide what fonts and colors you will use and keep them consistent throughout your channel. To get started, you're going to need a logo and a banner. You can make them in any photo editor you want, or if you are not a good designer, you can make one using Midjourney like I do. If you are posting random without choosing a clear topic, sorry, but you can't succeed to this platform. So pick a niche you want. Make sure there's people out there who want to watch content from that niche. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a list of the most popular niches on the YouTube, or go to the Wikipedia, search for list of hobbies and pick one that you are interested in, then jump straight into Step 3. You need to analyze other big channel in your niche and see which type of content is doing well. Recently I did the same when I started out my channel and saw fact about movie doing pretty well in my niche. You probably saw at last one video like this. Did you know an Avengers and game? Do you know that in Spider? Did you know your love and thunder? So I found a bunch of interesting facts and explained them as simple as I could in my video on thing. I strongly recommend is don't overthink and spend as little time as you can on making each video, especially when you are first starting out. You are going to have a lot of time to improve your content, but when you are in the beginning, just publish your first video as soon as you can get comfortable. Make that style of content, then choose one side of the video to improve next time. For example, focus on making better transition in the next 5 videos, then better subtitle, better coloring, better sound effect, and so on. It will definitely increase your video quality instead of trying to make everything perfect. Back to the channel. After publishing consistently for about 3 weeks, I made my first viral video. For 10 shorts or so, you need to go back and analyze data, see which video are doing well and which does. This step might be a bit boring for some of you, but it's definitely the most serious circle one, so don't skip that. And the only important metrics you should check for YouTube shorts are view count, retention, and sweep rate. But more importantly, just watch your most viewed video and try to understand what makes them different from the rest. Write them down in a viral recipe list, and you can either try to take as many boxing as you can in your next shorts, or choose a few for each video and implement them one by one. I made that list for my viral short and saw the subtitles were shorter, the sense was changing faster, and I made a joke at the end that wasn't funny anyways. I used this list for my next video, and I got 2 more viral shorts at the end of that month. So in December 2022, what worked in the past may no longer work today. After replacing the same formula for the next month, I realized the formula is not working anymore. On truth, it was monetized. The channel's ad review was less than $20 a month. Obviously, things weren't looking good. Even truth, I used the same techniques. The views were getting lower where in each video. If you come across that hitch on your channel, it's The sign showing the golden formula is broken or needs a revision. You need to repeat Step 3 and 4 and add new points to your viral recipe list. And when I did it again this time, I saw better performing video had a sound effect is in the beginning like this, some type of a graphic that takes attention, and most of them didn't have a voiceover. They were just called edits or of recent movies. Even truth, I was a bit suspicious since it was easier to make this type of content. I made more of them and they did really well. The channel was getting more and more traction every day. The ad review went from $20 to over $150 that month. Everything was great. I was sure it would easily turn into thousands of dollars in a few months, until one day I got an email from YouTube. Thank you. It said some of your videos have been taken down due to a copyright notice. We had to take down the following the 3 videos from YouTube. So basically my 3 edits about the movie Spider-Verse has been taken down by Sony and my channel got a copyright strike. But that's not the worst part. A few hours after that my channel got demonetized because of reused content. It turns out my edits weren't edit enough to make the fair use. It was just the worst thing that could ever happen after the channel was starting to take off. But that didn't stop me from posting. I now went back to adding voiceover to my video, repeated step 3 and 4 again to make my formula even better, and will replicate the YouTube partner program in a few weeks. So if there's one principle you need to use on your channel after this video, it's determination. No matter how changing it is, just learn from each experience and try to improve, find solution, and don't lose your motivation. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.